sides of the road. The ground underneath my boot heels burns right through my soul, right through my weary soul. Wildfire travels on a wayward wind through a field of broken dreams. Your memory flies to my...
Hey folks, I've come all the way from Earthshine to bring Kaa the Boa Constrictor to his new home here at the Edisto Island Serpentarium. He's going to live up inside that big glass room. Well, actually I should say down inside it, because that is the skylight that lets the light in to his new habitat, which is this massive beautiful spread that you're about to see. So let's go release Kaa into his new home, so where he can live the rest of his life. This is just so cool, and I'm glad I'm going to be able to take you there to see it. So let's do it. Hey folks, well, I've brought Kaa the Boa Constrictor down here to the Serpentarium in Edisto, and this is going to be her new home, or his new home, I'm sorry. And he's going to live here in this beautiful snake enclosure, and hopefully he'll like it a lot better than the small box that he lived in at Earthshine. And I know a lot of you got to meet him, but now if you want to meet him, you have to come to the Edisto Island Serpentarium, and he'll be living here for the rest of his life. So let's let him go. Well, I'll bring him up and let you get one last look. Beautiful snake. All right. This will be your new home right there. All right. Now, he's just going to explore, hopefully, and learn a little bit about his new establishment here. This is going to be the most room the snake has ever had. As far as I know, it's always lived in a small box in captivity. Very healthy, yeah. I think you'll be very happy here. I just can't imagine how many new smells he's going to encounter in the next few days. Oh yeah. How many other snakes live in here? Okay. Well, he's going to take his time about it, so we'll let him have all the time he needs. And I'm going to come back one day and see how he's doing. This is his new home. It's a jungle for sure. He's got trees he can climb up, all the way up, as high as he wants to go. And then there's natural sunlight coming through the windows up above. Water flowing around. Up there's another boa. So he'll have friends. Another boa down here in this log. He has all kinds of places to hide and forage. In fact, they've just recently fed the snakes, so there's several rats and mice inside the enclosure waiting for the snakes to come and feed. This is just a great place for snakes. great place for people to learn about snakes. So if you're ever in the Edisto area, you need to stop at the Edisto Island Serpentarium and check it out. If you look right up there, there's an emerald tree boa curled up. Beautiful snake. Oh, what was that? A little twitch. And in that basket is another boa. Kaa is going to have just an incredible time exploring his new home, that's for sure. And he's down there right now. I'm pretty sure that he's a little cool from the long ride, so he's going to have to warm up before he goes on about his exploration of his new habitat. Just look at this place. It's great. Look at this place. Just, I can't get over how beautiful it is. It really makes me feel good to give him this beautiful new home. And I really do appreciate the folks at the Serpentarium allowing him to come here and stay and live out his days in this wonderful place. So thank you guys, and we'll see you soon.
This is a gray rat snake from the panhandle of Florida, northwestern Florida. And the common name for it is a white oak runner. And all the rat snakes have a common name. This is a white oak runner. You find them up in the oak trees. And we've had this one for about 5 years now. And good heavy-bodied male. Good display snake.
Oh yeah.
So, he's yours, Steve.
Well, we really appreciate it, Mr. Clamp, and he'll have a great home up at Earthshine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I wish I could have stayed